One of the things I love most about the Spotlight on Tuscany tour is that we stay in one hotel the entire week. You unpack once, you settle into a great town, it's close to Florence, it's called Montecatini, and now Tuscany feels more like a home, it's not just a place we're passing through. And since we're close to everything, it's one central location, you'll love the pace. This isn't a trip where you're constantly running to the next destination. And Montecatini is like three towns in one. There's a modern section, which we're close to, and then we're also close to an older section from the 1800s. It's the Gilded Age, it's posh, and it's a fascinating era. And there's the medieval town, which is above us, and you take a funicular up to the top, and that's a cool experience in itself. Of course, we're also going to visit like famous Tuscan towns, Florence, Pisa, Lucca, San Gimignano. And my favorite part is introducing you to all my friends in Italy. And over the years, I've built great relationships with wonderful people throughout Italy. And they're all very welcoming and they love my groups. And I love sharing my friendships with you. It's really probably my greatest joy as the group leader. Because we're going to go visit family-owned places like the winery. It's a local cheese farm. We do a hands-on cooking class, and we even have a connection in Nashville to that. Actually, their families has some relatives near where I grew up in New York, so that's always fun. But a lot of really your best memories are these smaller places. You got to see the big to-dos, but the smaller places, the conversations you have with locals, with each other, you're traveling together over meals and wine. And it's funny, it's this, and also the little unexpected moments. Those are the types of things that everyone always talks about and you never forget. You'll be traveling with friends. Before we all get together, 3 months before the trip, I do a get to know each other mixer at my restaurant. Fill out 20 questions about yourself and I put together like a keepsake reference booklet all about the travelers. And I'm going to go over a 24-page travel guide. And again, if you can't make it, I'm going to send it to you as a PDF and we're going to make an appointment and I'm going to go over that with you over the phone. But Nashville's a fun town. So if you can come, that'll be a fun trip for you too. And then when the trip is over, you come home. It's not just beautiful pictures. It's really like the stories and the new friends. And so often, even before you come home, everyone's like, Chuck, let's all go here. Let's all here. We kind of create a really close bond and little travel clubs start to form. And I hope you're a part of it. Grazie, a presto. Talk to you soon.
Coco's ravioli, vino and cannolis welcome you to Rome. Sit in our terrazza, la tua nuova casa, make yourself at home. Coco's manicotti, bruschetta and panini, under a Tuscany moon. Tiramisu.